Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 5041 Silver King. This is an absolutely stunning property. It sits on 5 acres. The main house here is just over 4,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. You have an amazing casita with a 3-car garage out here, and then the 2-car garage with the main house. Absolutely stunning views. It has a pool, sits on 5 acres. Come on, let's take a look around. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 5041 Silver King. Again, an absolutely amazing property out here in Soledad Canyon. Sits on 5 acres. Main house, just over 4,000 square feet. 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath. Has a 2-car attached garage. It is on domestic well. And then you have a separate building that has a 700 square foot casita and an attached 3-car garage. You have this amazing pool, these amazing views. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleonlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.